Hello friends, myself Dr. Anil Kumar Diman. I am from Gurukul Kand Vishyavidhyalaya Haridwar. Now I am going to explain the websites of our university. As you are seeing here, we have different tabs. Just for Vishyavidhyalaya, we have a home about the university, vision and mission, administration, authorities of Vishyavidhyalaya, how to reach and history. For example, suppose we want to have about the university, so this will come like this. It was the university, one of the oldest university of India, and it was established by Swami Sardanand in 1902. However, it got the recognition as deemed university in the year 1962. Further, we are having academics. In academics, we are having undergraduate courses, postgraduate courses in different streams, and PhD. Besides this, we are also having diploma and certificate courses. Admission. Generally, admission starts in the month of July and August. We have different campus, main campus. In main campus, we are having BBA, MBA in different discipline, BTech and BA Honors, MSCs and MA. This is admission information that has been published in different newspapers. And then we have Kanya Gurukul campus Haridwar and Kanya Gurukul campus Dehradun. Basically, we are having different campuses for boys and girls. In main campus, only boys are allowed, and in Kanya Gurukul Haridwar and Kanya Gurukul Dehradun, girls students are studied. Different departments are there, and then campus life. In campus life, we are having hostels, guest houses, facilities like central library, sports and gym, museum is also there, yoga and different clubs, and NCC units is also there. This is for research. Different type of documents are available in different scientific departments. For example, in microbiology, chemistry, we are having a plenty of equipments, modern equipments for the research purposes, and different research projects have also been undertaken by the professors. This is the list of PhD awarded in a different discipline by our university. Besides, we are also having facilities of accessing journals which are being given by Influent through eSourceIndu, and these are accessible outside of the campus. That means off campus through EZ proxy. In eSource, this is the resource list: American Chemical Society journals, American Institute of Physics, or American Physical Society annual reviews. Besides this, National Digital Library links is also there. We have World Book e-Library and South Asia archives. Besides that, we are having individuals purchase for books, and around 360 e-books we have purchased, and this is the list. This is the business management list. This is the list from Edward Elgar books and AIGA resource list, chemistry, alpha science, computer engineering, and different disciplines like that. So we are serving better to our students, and many of our students are serving in different organizations throughout the world. Thank you.